Hey guys, Alex here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my new home. Actually, this is the new model unit of Ignatius Enclave Phase 2. So this is located also at the site of Phase 2, which is just beside Adelaida Residences. So the developer is A. Brown, same developer of Xavier Estates, which is their most popular project here in Cagayan de Oro City. So this house sits on a 120 square meter lot. The floor area is 117 square meters, so it has one parking space. The bedrooms on the first floor, there are 2 bedrooms on the first floor. So there's one maid's quarters, or you can use it as a stock room. And then there are 2 more bedrooms on the second floor. So that's 4 bedrooms in total and 3 toilet and baths. Plus, it also has a balcony. So let's go, let's check out their new and improved model unit.